Hello friends, today I am going to teach you how to file e-file, online income tax e-file in the new portal. The income tax department has launched a new portal which is very tedious in filing the IT return. So I will teach you how to do e-filing IT returns. Even if it is a nil return, you have to file. So I will teach you how to file IT returns easily in the new portal. First go to www.incometax.gov.in. You click that button. So once you click that button, this page will come. This income tax, you click this button. Then you do one thing. This page will go directly to the new portal, e-filing 2.0. So you don't go to this view guide tour of new portal. Guide tour will make your time waste, and it will go to PowerPoint presentation. All will take half an hour. Your time will be wasted. If you follow my steps, you will do e-filing in 6 minutes. So update your profile not required. Submit grievances not required. So first you go to this right top round. This is the login account. Hope you already have login account. Otherwise you have to register by giving your PAN card, home address, telephone number, etc. So what you do, you already have an account, you log in. Okay, once you log in, you will go to this page. Okay, in this login, you put your login ID, user ID, whatever you are registering. So you have to click continue. Once you continue, this page will come. So please confirm your secure access message. This is the, you have to enable this checkbox. Please confirm your secure access message. But you won't get any message in the mobile. Don't wait for that and waste time. Straight away you please check this box. Please confirm your secure access message and then you put your password. So once you put your password, this will continue. Once if you only check this box, please confirm your secure access message. This continue box will be enabled. See, I am doing this now. So once I checked in, this continue box is enabled. Otherwise you cannot continue. So you click this continue now. Okay. So this page will come. Welcome to e-portal Seshas Murthy. In this page, your profile 70% complete. So you need not worry about all these things. You just straight away go to file return. Since I have already filed, all these items are ticked. Once you go inside this file return, you will ask for this all the details. Automatically your home address, name, PAN number and all will come. Only you have to fill in your salary, per annum salary. If you have any income from other source, you have to fill it up. And then if you are paying for a LIC under ATC, you have to fill the amount. So if you are going to fill the correct amount, your correct salary per annum, your correct take home per annum, your correct LIC amount, everything, this new portal will calculate automatically. It's very easy. You need not feed one by one. Once you feed, this portal is very useful for the new people who are going to do online e-filing. See, online e-filing is very easy. You can save 3,000 rupees for consultant or auditing, giving fees. In this pandemic corona time, you can save 3,000 rupees. So you go to this file return, fill up all the your particular true particulars of salary, and then around 5 pages will come. You have to click next, and then after filling correct information, finally you submit. You will get a verification. In this verification, you will get a SMS in your mobile. So after getting this, you will get this page. Okay, all this tick mark will come, like you have file written correctly, file forms correctly, e-verify written correctly, other services done correctly. Since I have done already e-file, I have done my nil return. So all this checkbox is coming. So in this, finally you will get this page. So then you do skip, go to skip, and then finally you will get this. See, you will get this message, filed successfully. If you get this message only, you are done with your job. Sometimes you will get some errors happened. Try again later. Like some issues happened. Try again later. If you get this message, then you are not filed. Your task is not completed. So what you do, you again and again try. Why this message is coming is some error happened, please try again later means you have not filed your IT return, e-file is not done. That means this portal is having some issues, they are rectifying. It is also very slow, so you have to have high speed internet, you have to put patience, you have to wait. You cannot go on click next, you have to wait till the browser is completed, it will be rotating. So you have to be patient in this new web portal, but it's very useful and it's very handy and very easy. Only issue is buffering because of a crowd in this new portal. So new portal is very good, you have to wait provided if you have patience. If you are going to do this online e-filing from 10 a.m. to 7 p.m., you have to wait and be patient. Otherwise you do 5 o'clock 6 o'clock in the early morning or in the midnight after 11 12, where the web portal page is free. In daytime it will be very busy and you have to wait in patience. In daytime if you do, you will get this error message, something went wrong, please try again later. If you get this error message, don't worry, again you try. Again you will not fill up from first. Automatically once you close the browser it will save. Once you log in, you can go to the final page, it will ask already information given whether you want to continue. If you say continue, it will go to the last page. So don't worry about that, your data will be lost, your data will be saved automatically, don't worry. The only error is it will come as some issue has happened, please try again. It will say as something went wrong, please try again later. If you get this something went wrong, please try again later, then you try again later, close the browse, after 1 hour you try, or you late midnight you try, or early morning you try where the crowd is less. So if you don't worry, if you get this message something went wrong, please try again later. So you try again and you can successfully do this task and you can save around 3000 rupees auditor fee or consultancy fees. Very easy. Only you have to feed your annual salary, take home salary, and then you have to feed your LIC if you are paying, or if you have other source income. And even TDS form 16 you need not file because your company is going to file on your behalf, but this is individual IT return file, so you do not scan or do the TDS form 16. So form 16 anyway they will verify with your company. So this individual login is very easy, you save 3000 rupees. I had given my number in the description. If you have any doubt, you call me anytime, I will help you. This new portal is very easy and very handy and very useful. You have to be patient. New portal, because it's new, it will take some time. So okay, anything you have doubt, you call me. I have given my number in this description. My number is 9443811862. Okay. If you have any issues, you call me anytime. If you like this video, you click subscribe, click like button, and if you feel to share, you can share. So once again I am telling you, if you get this message something went wrong, please try again later after you e-filing, don't worry, all your data will be saved, your time won't get wasted. You try after 1 hour, the same page will come, you can go to the last page. So don't worry, it will be saved automatically. Any doubt, you call me. Okay, bye.